Namaste everyone. Welcome to Asha's Yoga. I am Yoga Instructor Asha. Today we are going to do breathing practice and stretching practices.
Breathing practice. Hands in and out breathing. Stand erect. Bring up the arms to horizontal position. Palms pressing each other. Fingers pointing forward. Move the arms backwards as much as possible while inhaling. The arms swing back with shoulders as hinges in the same horizontal plane. Bring the arms back to front position while exhaling fully. Repeat 10 rounds. Hands stretch breathing. Interlock the fingers in front of the chest, palms inwards. Inhale slowly. Stretch the arms straight out while twisting the interlocked hands, palms facing outwards. Exhale, bring the hands back. Palms on the chest with relaxation. Repeat 10 times. Ankle stretch breathing. Stand erect. Keep the hands straight down, palms facing forward. While inhaling, raise the hands and stretch up the body on the toes. The hands with interlocked palms facing upwards and the arms stretched. While exhaling, bring the hands down completely, retracing the steps. Stand on the soles. Repeat 5 times. Front and back bending of waist. While inhaling, stretch up the hands and bend backwards. Return to the vertical position and bend forward while exhaling. Touch the ground with palms if possible. Come up and bend backwards during inhalation. Repeat 4 or 5 times. Side bending. Keep the legs about a meter apart. Raise the hands sideways parallel to the ground while inhaling. Bend to the right till the right hand touches the right heel while exhaling. Bend in the same plane. Look at the palm of the left hand directing forwards. Come up with inhalation. Repeat 4 or 5 times. Repeat the same on the left. Twist with bending. Keep the legs about a meter apart. Raise the hands sideways parallel to the ground while inhaling. Exhale your right hand towards your left leg. Inhale up and exhale your left hand towards your right leg. Inhaling up and exhaling both hands down. Twist. Stand erect with hands spread out parallel to the ground. Feet about half meter apart. Keeping the legs firm on the ground. Twist to the right. The right hand straight and left hand bend at the elbow touching the chest. Exhale continuously during the twist. Come back while inhaling. Repeat on the left side. All twisting should be above the waist. Below the waist, Maintain the body straight and firm. No bending on the knee joints. Skanda Chakra. Raise the arms up to shoulder level. Place the fingers on respective shoulders. Rotate elbows clockwise 3 times and anti-clockwise 3 times. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with another useful video. Bye.